Hey guys, this is Trevor. Today we are making teriyaki salmon. Let's get started. Today I'm using skin-on salmon, but you can also use skinless salmon. And cut it into about 1 inch thick wedges. There is some fish fat under the skin, so cook your salmon with the skin on can preserve that part of the fish fat. Therefore, your salmon will taste more tender than cooking your salmon without the skin on. After roughly seasoning your salmon, you should get your cooking sauce ready before starting to cook. Make sure you dissolve all the sugar in the bottom. In a hot pan, put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And then put one of the cut side down. You don't want to put the skin side down first because you will lose the fish oil. And you also don't want to put the upside down because it's not flat. You put the cut side down, and this way you can get 2 sides of the fish will be cooked and crispy. Cook in medium-high heat for 2 minutes for the first side. And then flip it to the other side. Look at the beautiful color we have on the fish. Then we'll cook this side too for 2 minutes in medium-high heat. After 2 minutes, hold your fish this way and then cook the upside for a little bit so you can also have a char on it as well. Then pour in the cooking sauce, put the lid on, cooking in medium heat for about 3 minutes. Here, when you try to thicken your cooking sauce, you should lower your heat so you won't accidentally burn your cooking sauce. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys next time.